In front of me is Lenovo Tab M8 3rd generation, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this tablet. First of all, you need to locate Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now click on Allow in the pop-up. Then start your recording by tapping on this red button. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. If you want to discard it right away, click on this right button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you wish to end it and save it though, click on the right one with a square and name it however you want to. When you're ready, tap on OK. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you want to access it from main recording screen, click on this button with 3 lines on the left. You can play it by tapping on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Choose this bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!